Hi guys, welcome Plasma. Yeah. You know how I dislike to type, and that's why everything goes in scripts as well. But one of the reasons that I've now created this particular package is because I need to test them out all the time. So -s ArcoLinux. There are meta packages on ArcoLinux. That means why bother and type 6 or 10 or 20 things in there while we can have a group, a meta package. It's a little bit different, meta and group, but doesn't matter. So here we have now the new guy, Meta-Plasma-Design, which when I'm on another system, I can just type it and I get all the Plasma configuration that we've made until now. And that's much easier than going to type every single thing in there. So ArcoLinux Meta-Plasma-Design is now on the repo, update in your terminal, and you can exactly type the same thing as here I have, and now voila, everything is installed. All right, cheers. Have a look at the meta packages.